Hello everybody, today we make linguine with a calamari with a plum tomato sauce. For the ingredient we got a calamari, plum tomato, onion, garlic, flake hot pepper, parsley from my garden, white wine, and I got the linguine. Now I got a calamari right over here in my sink and I want to show the clean. A lot of people said to me, Pasquale, why when I eat the calamari, I eat something, it's hard in my mouth, it look like plastic. So you know clean good the calamari, yes, it got plastic inside. I call it plastic, but I don't know what you call it. But I want to show everybody the way I'm clean the calamari. Now I got the calamari and I got a cut like a ring. And we put everything over here. Now let's start the cook. My brand new stove, it made me so happy. Look, I got a pots over here before, 2 pots was fits. Now everything's good. Let's start. Gas. Boom, look, it goes so easy. This one, oh, look how beautiful. And the flame, mwah. Now we start with the good oil, olio di oliva. Now this parts over here, I gotta saute my fresh plum tomato. What I did, I take the skin out and I take the seeds out. Now this other one, oil, and I want to saute the calamari, because when I put in the sauce, the calamari got a taste already like this. Now let's start with the garlic. I put a little bit of garlic over here, and garlic over here for the sauce. And now I got the shallot over here. A little bit over here, not too much over there, but shallot I need more over here. Now make sure the low the gas, because I don't want to burn my garlic and my shallot. And we got the calamari, it go right over here. And already the calamari go zzz. And we turn over here the calamari, because I want to cook a little bit. But this calamari, it's really good. This was a fresh calamari. This, you don't gotta cook all the way. The only thing I want to make good taste with the garlic and with the shallot. Okay, when I put over here, already got a good taste. Now we got this. It's for the tomato. Look how beautiful. And oh, the smell is so good. Really, really good. Now, time of the tomato. It's really good. And we give a nice turn for the tomato. Okay. Now, make sure now you gotta cook on low medium. Do not boil too much, get splash on my stove. And after say, hey, who gotta clean the stove? Cheech. And like this, I gotta take care of my stove. Leave it cook on a low medium. The same thing with the calamari. We raise the flame a little bit. And I got a little white wine. I want to give the calamari really, really good taste. It look a nice, beautiful the calamari, white. Because when you clean it good, calamari, it look good, and when you go in your mouth, it tastes much better. And you don't find no plastic in it. Okay, now we leave cook, evaporate all the wine. Let's start with the flake hot pepper. This is my oye baby. Dry flake hot pepper. And let's go. This will give a good taste. I got parsley. Make a good color for the sauce and for the calamari. Little salt. A black pepper and the sauce. Now the calamari. I like pour little black pepper, little salt. Okay, now we give a little mix for the tomato. It looks so beautiful and delicious already. And we give a nice turn for the calamari. It's really good. And now the calamari, you gotta go on the sauce. We take the gas off over there. And this, the calamari, and look at this. It look really, really delicious. And this now you gotta cook about 20 minutes. At the same time, I got already the water boiled, and we cook the linguine on the other parts. I got a so beautiful basil over here. You know why? I want to cut these big leaves. Cause this, everybody knows, cause the basil, it's really good with the fish and with the pasta. And we give a nice wash, cold water. And this, you don't gotta cut the basil. I leave it just like that, the leaves. And this, you give a really good taste and the smell. Everybody outside, I hope nobody come inside, because I hear the smell. They say, Pasquale, what do you cook? Oh, I don't cook nothing today. I'm not told nobody to cook. Everybody want to come and eat. After I give it this way, me what I gotta eat. I got my glass of wine, white. The water boil, salt, and the pasta in the water. Leave it go down a little bit, and we give a nice turn with the forchettone over here. Okay, look at this. Oh, this you gotta cook now. And look how beautiful look at this calamari too. Today I got my linguine with the calamari. A trippa mia fatta sacca with a nice glass white wine. Now we cook this pasta al dente. You gotta be standing up. No mush. Okay, now the pasta is done. Let's put the parts on the front over here. And let's take the pasta. We put it straight in the sauce over here. I wanted to cook a little bit together with the calamari sauce. All right, now we raise the flame a little bit and we leave it stay a couple of minutes with the sauce over here. It gives really good taste. Now it's a time of the taste. And let's taste my pasta with the calamari. Oh, I want more calamari over here. Good. Now, little parsley. So good. And now, let's taste. Oh, look at my calamari over here. The pasta al dente, little spice, the way I like my oye baby. A little white wine, it's really good. The pasta, I hope somebody make this dish, it's so good. Salute e cin cin, a salute. This, beautiful, good dish. Salute e cin cin. Thank you so much.